How to adjust music on TikTok 2023. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to adjust music on TikTok 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our TikTok right here. And once we're in there, what we need to do is to just head over to our profile. So if you already have a draft or already recorded something, so you can just click on that specific recording, and then from in there you can see this settings right here. So in here also you can see this add sound, so click on add sound right there, and you can add a sound that you want to add. So for example, let's use this super shy right here, and then once you have click on that, then it will be added to your actual editing. But from in there you can adjust it, so click on editor pro right here, and then from in there you can see your music, right? So click on the music right there. You can also replace the sound or adjust the volume, so click on the volume right there, and you can adjust it however or the preferred volume that you want. So for example, you want it full speed, so click on save right here, and now as you can see it has been adjusted. So from in there you can just click on save right here, and then you can just click on this next right here, and then post your video on your TikTok. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to adjust music on TikTok 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.